Welcome to this audio guide based on the Tips to Improve Vision poster from Dr. Directory. The poster highlights 8 key foods that support eye health. Let's explore each one in detail. First, carrots. Carrots are rich in beta carotene, a type of vitamin A that helps the retina function properly. Eating carrots regularly may reduce the risk of night blindness and age-related eye conditions. Second, walnuts. Walnuts contain omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, and antioxidants. These nutrients help fight inflammation and protect the eyes from oxidative stress. A small handful a day can be beneficial. Third, bell peppers. Bell peppers are high in vitamin C, which is essential for blood vessels in the eyes. One medium bell pepper provides more than your daily need of vitamin C, helping lower the risk of cataracts. Fourth, sweet potatoes. Like carrots, sweet potatoes are packed with beta-carotene and also contain vitamin E. They support the cornea and may slow the progression of macular degeneration. Fifth, broccoli. Broccoli offers a combination of vitamin C, beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin. These two carotenoids are known to filter harmful blue light and protect the retina. Sixth, spinach. Spinach is one of the best sources of lutein and zeaxanthin. Studies suggest that eating spinach several times a week can significantly reduce the risk of chronic eye diseases like glaucoma and age-related macular degeneration. Seventh, salmon. Salmon is rich in DHA and EPA, two types of omega-3 fatty acids. DHA is a major structural component of the retina. Eating fatty fish like salmon twice a week helps prevent dry eyes and supports overall vision health. Now, let's talk about how to combine these foods for better results. A simple eye-healthy meal could be grilled salmon with a side of roasted sweet potatoes and steamed broccoli topped with a handful of walnuts. For a salad, mix fresh spinach, sliced bell peppers, shredded carrots, and a sprinkle of walnuts. Dress it with olive oil to help absorb fat-soluble vitamins. Beyond diet, remember these practical tips. Take regular breaks from screens using the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Wear sunglasses to block UV rays and avoid smoking as it increases the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. Regular eye exams are also crucial. Many eye diseases have no early symptoms, so an eye doctor can detect problems before you notice vision changes. For more detailed information, you can visit the website shown on the poster, health.tools4u.click. Please note, this content is for informational purposes and does not replace professional medical advice. To summarize this 3-minute guide, eat colorful vegetables like carrots, sweet potatoes, bell peppers, and broccoli. Add leafy greens like spinach, include healthy fats from walnuts and salmon, and combine good nutrition with eye-friendly habits. Thank you for listening. Take care of your eyes, they are your windows to the world.